20 Sad Truths About Life. Sometimes, the people you love the most can hurt you the deepest. Sometimes, love isn't enough to keep a relationship intact. Life's most significant lessons often come from painful experiences. Everyone you love will eventually leave or pass away. Time never stops, and we can't turn back the clock. Goodbyes can be permanent, and some friendships may fade away. Success doesn't guarantee happiness. Dreams don't always come true, and goals can go unfulfilled. Some people will never change, no matter how much you hope they will. Loneliness can persist even in a crowded room. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. Trust can be broken, and rebuilding it can be challenging. You can't please everyone all the time. We are all susceptible to vulnerability and weakness. The world won't stop for your grief or struggles. You can't change the past, but you can shape your future. Goodbyes can be permanent, and some friendships may fade away. People change, and sometimes that means growing apart. Loss is an inherent part of life. Nothing lasts forever. The world can be a harsh and cruel place. Understanding life's truths can be eye-opening. Remember, knowing these truths doesn't erase life's happiness. Embrace each moment. Take care of your relationships, and find strength in tough times. Let's face life's challenges with courage, turning them into chances to grow and connect.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more updates.